In part A, to factorize this, first we have to check is there any common factor. First term, second term, both divisible by 5, so we extract 5. And then the first term, 5m divided by 5, m is left. The second term, negative 10 divided by 5, negative 2n is left. Inside the bracket, there is no more common factor, so we just finish part A. We focus on part B then. M squared plus mn minus 6n squared. So we are going to use any common factor here. We don't find any common factor, so we think about is there any identity. 6 is not a square number, so we can't use identity. Then we have to use the last method, which is cross method. We copy down the first term m squared, and then we think what time what give us m squared, which should be m times n. And then negative 6n squared. We also need to think what time what give us negative 6n squared. So maybe I try negative 6n times positive 1n. It's just by guessing. And then we have to perform the cross product to check whether it is the middle term are the same. It seems like we just expand it and then we just look at the middle term. So we have positive 1n mn, we have minus 6mn, which gives us negative 5mn, which is not the same as the middle term, which proves that this combination, this trial is wrong. Then we just simply continue, try another combination. So maybe this time I try negative 3n times positive 2n. Negative 3 times positive 2 still give us negative 6. So this fulfills the first criteria. Let's check the second. Positive 2mn minus 3mn is give negative 1mn. The magnitude are the same, both of them are 1, but the sign are not the same. So just a very small changes. We change plus to minus, we change minus to plus, and then we try once again. Negative 2mn plus 3mn is equal to positive 1mn, which is consistent with our calculation. So after try and error, we find out that the first factor is m plus 3n. The second factor is m minus 2n. And you may consider part A is a part of hints. It's because you predicted that they will combine together and then there should be common factor. So if you find m minus 2n, most probably you will find this factor in part B also. The first three term is obviously part B, so no matter what's answer, just write it down. By using the result in part B or A, then you get 1 method mark of using the previous result. Another group, we have negative 5m, slightly different from here. So what we should extract is not positive 5, but negative 5. Negative 5m divided by negative 5 is give you positive m. Positive 10 divided by negative 5, we get negative 2. N. So there are two terms. First term here, the second term here. We find that this bracket is common, so we are going to extract it and then write in left hand side. n minus 2n is extracted, and then what inside, keep inside the bracket. For the first term, we move this part, m plus 3n is left. For the second term, we move this bracket, negative 5 is left. After that, we try to tidy up, make it more good looking, and also remove this bracket because it's not necessary here. Outside this bracket is positive, that means unchanged when you remove it. It's still m and still positive 3n and minus 5. That's how you finish the question.